All right, so I just got these unfinished cabinets from Home Depot, and I'm about to start installing them. And I noticed the toe kick here, the bottom is uneven. That's kind of like loose, which is not supposed to be like that. So I'm gonna get my brad nail gun here, and I'm just gonna do a quick little fix. So make sure we're flush. Okay. Then we'll come to the other side. Make sure this is flush. It's in that corner. Hold it in place. Oh yeah, all fixed. Now it's nice and flush. Good as new. Easy does it.